everyone, welcome to Ms Nhan's English class. A1 Mover Speaking, Part 2, Tell a Story. Now look at these pictures. They show a story. It's called Bread Always Dirty. Look at the picture first. Look at the first picture. Brad playing football. He's very dirty. Now you tell the story. Brad's having a shower in his bathroom now. There are dirty socks, shoes, and t-shirt on the floor. He going outside. He's saying goodbye to his mom, who is lighting the washing machine in the kitchen. Mom's telling Brad not to get mud on the clothes. Although it's sunny, there are many puddles on the road. Brad's riding his bike quite fast and jumping in the puddles. So unluckily, he's dirty again. I think the story is funny.